Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again. Gonna share with you a very cool item to turn your truck ride into a Cadillac ride. No shit. It felt like after I put this one product on, which I'm gonna share with you, it felt like I had a cushion added to my seat. It's like I can't even feel the back anymore. The improvement was an overall, at least 50% or better in ride comfortability. Now, real quick, I'm going to go over what I have because, of course, every little thing attributes to the ride. I did get the Carly leaf springs out of pack, so it comes with 5 extra leaf springs. So I did add that to the truck, and I did put the Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks on here. And so what's left, you might say? You put the Carly Springs out of pack, you put the nice Fox shocks on there with the cool ass reservoir. You say, yeah. So what's left? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Here's a hint. This is what it looks like. This is what I took off. And if you might guess, this is a shackle brace to hold the leaf springs. And this little rubber part is about as much cushion as the OEM people who created this particular part to take the beat of the road. So that's about as much cushion as you're gonna get. That little rubber bushing there. See, mine looks a little dry rotted now as it is. So what did I get? Well, what I got was something that somebody on YouTube had suggested, and as soon as he said it and I looked it up, I said, oh hell yeah. So here it is. This is the name of the people, Celastic Rubber Springs, and what it is, it's a leaf spring shock absorber. That's right, a leaf spring shock absorber. And I'm like saying, wow, if this is as good as it looks or sounds, why don't they put this on all the trucks? I don't know, can't answer that question. At any rate, this is what it looks like. Now, this whole part from here to here, all this is their rubber, and it attaches to the bolt that the bottom of the shackle, and this goes, and the top goes to the top, of course, right? But what a difference, bro, I'm telling you. If you're gonna do anything, do this. You will not regret it. It's about 380 bucks, but they're so worth it, man. I'm telling you, I cannot even feel the road in the back. Hardly any hopping whatsoever, and I'm running 22-inch tires, and I'm feeling, oh my God, what a difference. So there you go. I'm sharing it with you guys. So you'll thank me later, trust me, once you put this bad boy on. So there you have it. Turn your truck ride into a Cadillac ride with just that installation of these leaf spring shock absorbers. You'll thank me later. All right, guys, girls, take it easy, be cool. You got any questions? And if I think I'm qualified to answer them, I will definitely answer them for you. If not, I'll probably refer you to someone else who probably can, right? All right, take it easy, guys and girls.